This video, we're going to be going over Fantom network. You see for the day, we're up about 0.9%, almost 1%. And we're going to hop on the charts and kind of break down this bullish move, what happened in structure that could possibly have triggered this move, and just get more of an understanding of the daily price action on Fantom. If there's something you're interested in, stick around. If you're new, smash the subscribe button and at least give us a like. It helps with the algorithm. We're a growing channel and it's free. So let's get into the video. So to check out the analysis, we're gonna hop on TradingView and let's look at the daily time frame. Okay, and on the daily time frame, right off the bat, we can see that yesterday we had this massive bullish push that basically engulfed 1, 2, 3, 4. All this price action to the left after price seemed to have found some sort of support off this level here and putting in a morning star pattern. Okay, now with that being printed, we can also see that today has been bearish. I mean, it has been bullish initially, and we can see that from this wick up top here, but it seems that we could be on a retracement cycle, or this could be another push to the downside, right? But with all this interesting price action candle formation occurring, it should be noted that we are moving sideways. Right, that is very noticeable, and that's more so for you investors, right? But there has been in this candlestick right here, there has been opportunities for the traders. Okay, but let's drop on the 4-hour and let's check it out. So what I'm seeing on the 4-hour is, after we zoomed into that daily candle, essentially basically, like I said, that we're moving sideways. So we are in a consolidation range, right? And just how price pushed from support, we are at a minor resistance or a resistance. So just how price push up, price can also push down. A price can come back down, play around again, and continue doing that type of flow, or price could move upwards and flow to the upside, right? And there's always 3 ways price can move: upwards, downwards, or sideways, right? So that means she could also come back down and start to continue its trend to the downside. But right now, what can we do? Basically nothing, just wait and see. But let's look on the 1-hour to see if we could find any opportunities. So for a trader standpoint, if you're looking to trade this pair, so I tend to follow daily momentum, and with that daily push of yesterday, and we're at higher time frame support, I would wait for indication that since we're on some sort of a retest after prices reach 4-hour resistance, I would wait for some sort of cupping motion, or to basically some sort of signal that tells us, the traders, that price had found support and it's ready to continue upwards, that bulls are back into the market, right? And for me, a good signal would be something probably like a engulfing candle closing above this area, right? That would be a good signal for me. Or maybe some sort of double bottom, right? But essentially, we made a higher high on the 1-hour, if you want to say that. But it should be known that we are in a consolidation range, so a lot of this price action could just be range movement, right? But if you want to take that risk, and price does find support, whenever it does find support, your TPs could be to this next level right here, right? Could be something like that. Personally, I probably wouldn't buy this if I'm on the trading side, unless I get a for sure signal off of this. But I don't like trading within the range. I probably would just wait for it to break above higher time frame resistance, and then put in some sort of retest, retrace, and then find some sort of support and an entries into the upside. For me, that's a safer trade. There's too many pairs out here to be trading to just risk it all on a not so risky formation, you know. but that's just my sort of, that's just the way I approach things. Less risky, more profitable, right? And yeah, basically the lower time frames, the 30-minute are just giving us more information, more detailed information what we're seeing on the 1 hour and the 4 hour, right? 15-minute. Yeah, so basically you're just waiting now. If you're bullish, you're waiting now for price to give you indication that I had found support off this level. All right, now it should be noted that you could probably take advantage of this area too if it decides to push back to the downside. An opportunity like that would look similar to price breaking below this bullish trend line, creating a lower low and forming some sort of lower high, creating a lower low, quote unquote, and forming some sort of find some sort of resistance and probably push the downside like that, right? But with the bullish, even though we are moving in a consolidation range / sideways with that bullish close yesterday, it is of my opinion that a bullish push is more likely to occur. Okay, and that doesn't mean it will occur. It's just from my rules and from what I see with that those two bullish candles offer support on the high time frame, aka the daily. It's a bullish outcome is more probable. Okay, so that's the analysis. See you guys tomorrow.